What's up, y'all? It's your boy back again with another one, man, in these streets, man. So we about to get ready to go make a purchase of a firearm. Now, what makes it special is this is my first purchase of a firearm after obtaining my license to carry. So how much quicker is it if you already have it? Let's find out.
I told you I was getting you.
So we here at Academy, and we're gonna go get our early Christmas gift to ourselves. Treat yourself. I got a couple other purchases that are investments, and then 2026 I'm locking down, eliminating debt, creating more income, feel like that. So for a start reference for this, it is now 5:33 p.m. and I'll let you know how long it's gonna take. So one thing that I have been kind of on the edge about is this federal, or just buying bulk rounds anyway. So if 1,000 rounds is like 2 something, 140 I feel is kind of fair for half of that, but it's 57 for 200, almost 60 for 2, 6, 10. Definitely get a better deal the more that you buy. So buying that shit in bulk may actually be better. So I guess it just boils down to what do you get the better deal on, because these are going to be 250 rounds at 60. So that's 140. So it kind of balanced out to be the same thing. Honestly, I don't know or really have a preference in the brand between Luger or Federal. It all shoots the same, I believe. All right, let's go see what we're gonna look at. All right, so we done decided to go with the 500 rounds of the 9mm. I'm also gonna grab me a box of the jacketed hollow points for when it's game time, and then I'm also gonna pick up this magazine. It's like a 18 plus 2. Yeah, 18 round plus 2, so 20 capacity, which is gonna be crazy. That bitch got a dick on it. Balls. Alright. And then, alright, so the gun we gonna go ahead and pull the trigger on is the Mint MC9. I already got that one. We're gonna get that one. I was looking at the Prime, but I don't really care for it. This one gonna come with 2 17 round magazines. Gonna get a beam for that bit, just like the other one. And then, yeah. I got your Glocks. Oh yeah, let me show you. So this is for my Taurus that they gonna replace. That's the one that they're gonna replace it with. I don't know, did they say the G3C or the G3X? It might have been that one. I think it was that one though. Maybe it was 15. I don't know, we'll find out when we get it. All right, so it's 5:51. We done gathered everything that we need. We just told the guy what we wanted, handed him our Texas license to carry. He said it makes life easier, smoother, quicker, all that stuff. So we're gonna see. There's quite a few people here waiting this evening. 5:52. So 5:52. Let's see how long it takes and go from there. So I've just been informed that that one was the last one they had. I took the display. But yeah, that's the only one they got. Boom. 5:53. Keep up now. All right, so I did still have to fill out the ATF form or whatever. That's cool. Whatever. Let's see how long it takes. Cause now it is 6:02. I guess from the time that it started officially. So we'll see how long it takes for their background to come back or whatever they gotta do. How much quicker is it really? Whoa, that was fast. So it's now like 6:07. It's back. It's done. I guess we got the green light. So we gotta wait for the manager, get the rest of our stuff and check out. So it's definitely worth it. Like if it wouldn't have been a line, I could have been in and out. All right, so walking out academy, time is 6:20. I'm telling you, that motherfucking license to carry, speeded that shit all the way up. All right, so yeah, man, just overall, bro, that was a pleasant freaking experience. Like, I just want to buy another gun just to see, how smooth it'll be. But yeah, awesome. I fucks with it. So if, man, just the benefit of hell not having to wait that long was fucking awesome. And it was breathtaking. I still had to fill out the form, but like I said, shit, after that it was like boom, boom, boom. And if it wouldn't have been for the other things, other people there and shit, they probably wouldn't have took that long. So this has been my experience purchasing a handgun with my license to carry. Definitely much quicker. It's not hype. I promise you that. So let me know what your experiences have been. If you're thinking about getting your license to carry, if you already have it, what has been your experiences? Just share it with the group and things, man. Like, I appreciate everybody. Make sure y'all tune into the next one. Gone.